As for work tools, we have on display here a series of weapons, or rather objects we call axes. This axe is one of the most recent, both chronologically and typologically, since it has an eye where a handle was inserted. This is the type we know today, though now made of steel. This is a bronze example, known from references and also from a pendant with this exact shape, and this is what's called a socketed axe. As for other examples, this is a so-called malapeggio. It has a vertical cutting edge like an axe, and on the back, hence the name malapeggio, it's shaped more like part of a hoe or pickaxe. This was probably used for construction or for woodworking. Some believe it even had a use in naval carpentry. Then there's the double-headed axe specimen, found at Santa Vittoria di Seri, along with numerous examples displayed in various island museums, including the National Archaeological Museum of Cagliari. This type of axe, which has a hole for inserting the wooden handle, was more of a symbol than a working tool, since analysis shows the two blades never underwent the hardening process needed to strike against anything. Here on the side is a sequence of axes ranging from the simplest to the most complex model. So we go from simpler single-face models to two-face specimens made with a bivalve mold, being bifacial objects, up to bifacial objects with lateral ribs called flanged axes. And here are listed various models, from the simplest single-faced example with a monovalve form to already bifacial examples made with a bivalve mold, to chronologically more recent objects like this flanged axe model and this other flanged axe model, which is actually dated to the late Bronze Age rather than the Middle Bronze Age like this one. These models were then hafted using a wooden handle that was fitted onto the axe in this way.